Hi there, my name is David, and I'd like to say a few words about the Neomen anti-snoring mouthpiece because, well, it's been a lifesaver, quite actually, because last week, well, actually it's been more than a week, I was banished from the marital bed, had to sleep down here on the couch. Why? Because I snored too much and was keeping my partner awake. So, after some research on the internet, I came across the Neomen anti-snoring mouthpiece, and I've got to say that after a few days, it worked. And now I can get back to the marital bed. A good night's sleep at last. So thank you very much, Neomen. Greatly recommend it.